Just one more thing before I go. Before I let you take the throne, you go right and I'll stay left. And if you ever get too close, you'll know my name before I go. They loved me then, they love you now. But don't forget there's one more round. Oh, the pain, I know it well, but it hasn't kept me down. You think you got me figured out. You thought you had me, you thought that I was done, but I'm stronger up against the ropes. I'm a fighter. Before this fight is over, you'll know my name before I go. You'll know my name before I go. Just one more thing before I go. Before the final curtains close, there's no telling what comes next, but these tired hands will show. You'll know my name before I go. Just one more thing before the end. No time has never been a friend. To the dreamer, to the lover, to the one who needs to win. Yeah, watch out, 'cause here it comes. I say when I am done. You thought you had me, you thought that I was done, but I'm stronger up against the ropes. I'm a fighter. Before this fight is over, you'll know my name before I go. You'll know my name before I go. You'll know my name. Just one more thing before I go. Yeah, you thought you had me, you thought that I was done, but I'm stronger up against the ropes. I am a fighter. Before this fight is over, you know my name before I go. You know my name before I go.
This dance is called You Know My Name. Choreographed by Niels, Poulsen. It's a 48 count, 2-wall, phrased, easy, intermediate level line dance. Their part A, 32 counts, part B, 16 counts, tag, 4 counts in this dance. The dance sequence is A, 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 B, A, 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 B, B, tag, A, B, ending. Now let me go over part A. Part A has 32 counts. Section 1, part A, starting with right foot, step right foot forward, quarter turn left facing 9, right foot vaudeville. Cross side, heel to the right diagonal, ball cross side. Quarter turn left, left foot, sailor step. Now you're facing 6 o'clock. Section 2, right foot, shuffle forward, step left foot forward, pivot half turn right facing 12, quarter turn right, left foot, big step. Side, step right foot together and pop your left knee. Now you're facing 3. On the 3rd, 6th, and 7th, 8. You can step right foot together without the knee pop. Left foot, cross shuffle. Section 3, right and left, funky nightclub. Right foot, big step. Side, left foot, rock back, recover. Left foot, big step. Side, right foot, rock back, recover. Right foot, side, left foot, behind side cross with the sweep. Last section, right foot cross, 1/8 right, left foot back, 1/8 right, right foot side, facing 6, left foot cross samba. Cross side rock recover, right foot, cross side, right foot, rock back, recover. This is part 8. With the count 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me go over part B. Part B has 16 counts. Section 1, part B, starting with right foot, right and left, Dorothy. Right foot, right diagonal, step, lock step, left foot, left diagonal, step, lock step, right foot, rock forward, recover, shuffle half turn to your right, quarter turn right, side together, quarter turn right, right foot forward. Now you're facing 6. Section 2, walk forward, left, right, out, out, in, forward, left, right, left, right, left foot, rock forward, recover, left foot, coaster step. This is part B with the counts 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let me go over the 4 count tag. Starts facing 6 o'clock. Starting with right foot, step right foot forward, pivot half turn left, facing 12, right foot forward, step left foot together, and hit your right knee up. With the counts for the tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.